Welcome to Node.js examples. So in this tutorial we will learn to create first example in Node.js. So we will be creating a console application and then run it onto the console. So Node.js in Node.js we are writing the code into a JS file. So we have a test.js and in this file we will be writing our code. So open this test.js into notepad and we will be writing the code here. So to print some message on the console we will be using the console. So console.log method. So this code is going to print first nodejs example on the console, and to run this you should have nodejs already installed. So you can check the version of nodejs installed on your computer with the command node hyphen version, and to run this nodejs example type node and then test.js. So you can see it is printing the message on the console. Next we will see how to define a variable. So we will see how we can define a variable of type string. Let is used to define a variable. So it is defining a variable called country and the value is India. Again we will print using the console.log country name. So it printed the country name, and if we change it to small letter, so it is saying that this variable is not defined. So in Node.js the variable names are case sensitive, and for commenting you can use // or this one, and this is the comment block, and this comment block will be ignored by the Node.js. Next we will define the integer variable. Again we will use the same let uh, keyword let, and then product price Now run it and see, it is printing the product price. So now I will show you how you can write a loop or for loop in Node.js. So it's simple. For, then let I equal to 0 and I is less than equal to 10 and the I plus plus. So I plus plus is the increment operator. So this is defined, then while condition, and then the increment operator, increment or decrement operator, whatever you want. Then here we can print using the console.log and I. Now we should try to run that code. So it is printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the first example, we learned how to create first Node.js code and save into the .js file extension. So in this case, I have saved the file in test.js file, and to run this, we are simply calling node and then the JS file name, and it is executed. So in this tutorial, we learned how to create our first Node.js code and run it into the console. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.